Goofy goobers are everywhere. There's an animal company update. Yay! You probably saw it by the thumbnail. Yay! I'm just kidding, guys. I have lots of energy right now. So I actually haven't I haven't even thought about touching my VR in like a month. So, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, what the And then there's this thing I don't really know a whole lot about this. Do you want to explain it? Alright, so basically you collect these little thingies. And then you gotta like put them, you collect like tapes, and then you gotta put them in these. And you gotta put in the right one, and then you can unlock this. And then you can like do this. Hold it, and then you can like see the whole map. And then you can see who else in it and like where it's at. So, yeah. So how much stuff do I have in my stash? Practically nothing. Nice. If you don't get in call chat, I will straight up use it. I will use this if you don't get in call chat. Or oh, he's about to kick me.
I'm so stupid. I had myself muted.
Oh my.
I had my mic muted.
Oof. Alright, let's go.
Let's get the Haunted Mansion one.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's
We're not gonna I'll show you how to get through this place. They like completely revamped this.
Yeah, I know. I've played for this thing.
Oh my god. Is that my schizophrenia, or is that also happening for you? Oh yeah, there's a tape right down here. But that's not the one we need. Come on, the Haunted Mansion.
But yeah, let's get that one on the way out. Hang on, turn off your light.
My light is always off.
Oh, I always have my light on.
You're coming with me because I'm too scared. I'm scared of the dark, aren't you?
Yeah. What just hurt me?
I don't know, and I don't want to find out.
Oh my god!
Oh, what you?
That scared me. I don't see anything, but I'm not. Hang on. I feel like it's gonna be somewhere down here, so let's go down here.
Wyatt, all you need to do is check to see if...
Found it. I found it. It's right here.
We're so goobers. Ring the bell!
Oh my god.
Get the one on the way out, baby.
Oh, something just hurt me. Something actually just hit me.
Yeah, I got out of there. There was 2 ghost ladies. I'm sorry, I left you behind.
Alright, hang on.
Oh my god, big black man! That's not a big black man! That's something scarier than big black man, and I don't want to find out what it is.
Oh, okay.
It's permanently night for me.
I can't grab the other one. What am I supposed to do?
Just come back for it. I gotta go back to the haunted house when I drop.
Alright, hang on. I got both of them.
Sit box on.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Alright, I'm almost out. I'm almost out. Yeah?
What the hell happened?
Hang on, I'm coming. Wait, I'll be right back.
What the hell happened? Yo, bro, you good? You good?
Oh, good. Hang on, where's my other CD? Oh God, yeah, you can't carry 2 CDs at once.
Dude, what happened? What happened?
You can't carry 2 CDs at once.
Wait,
I don't know which one this is.
House one. I dropped mine.
I don't know which one this
Just try
is.
haunted house. No, wait, no, do the dark forest. Let me find it. Dark forest, dark forest, dark forest. There.
Is it forest or dark forest?
Dark forest.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
All right, yeah.
Well?
I don't want to do that again, but
I'm going back in, boys.
for the sake of entertainment, I must.
I'll get the other CD for you.
All right. Wait, are you sure? All right, hang on. All right, I'm going back in. All right, which one should I grab?
That's scary.
Yeah, all right, I'll get haunted house.
Oh.
All right, I'm coming back. Oh my God.
Out of here.
I got both of them. I got both of them. Oh my God. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Thank God I made it out of there. Oh, okay. You there?
Yeah.
No. All right, well. I wasn't. This one's... Dark Forest. Okay. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright. Alright. Before I pee my pants, I'm gonna go back to get... I'm gonna end this video.
I'm gonna find the lake tape. It's apparently in here.
Alright. Alright. well, that's going to be it for today's video. Say goodbye to the people.
Bye bye.
Yeah, I know I'm uploading this a little too early or late, but, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. 6, 7.